I'm an electrical engineer. What does that mean? It means I went to college, got a degree in electrical engineering, and have since forgotten every single thing I learned. Today, we take the first step in relearning. I'm gonna use an Arduino, maybe two, to make my air conditioning maintain a room's temperature.
So here's the problem. I'm gaming. I'm a gamer. That's not the problem. The problem comes when I'm heating up the entire room and I'm getting hotter and hotter because my computer is generating heat and my AC is off. Then I'm uncomfortable, I'm sweating, I have to get up and walk over to my air conditioning. That's too much work. I turn the AC on and it cools off the room and I'm on my computer again, having a good time. Then it gets too cold and it's iterative. It just keeps flipping back and forth and back and forth. So here's my solution. Here's Arduino 1. Arduino boards have microcontrollers, which are used to process code. I bought an SHT31, which is a temperature sensor compatible with Arduino. It's basically a thermometer with input-output signals being a couple wires instead of a screen or Alexa.
Right now, it's 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
We'll use a protocol called I2C to communicate between the two devices. One wire for the clock and the other for data. We'll hook that up and bing bang boom, I can write some code based on that data. I'm also going to connect an RGB LED to the Arduino. I'll use this to simulate when the AC should be on and when it should be off. We'll throw in some resistors to limit the current, connect it in common cathode format, and that's that. Let's start coding. The first part of the code is very simple. I'm going to set up two bounds, a maximum and minimum room temperature. If the data I get from the temperature sensor tells me we're over the maximum temperature, I'm going to turn on my red LED, signaling it's too hot. If we're under the minimum temperature, I'm going to turn my LED blue, signaling it's too cold. If the AC turns on at the appropriate times, my room should never go too far out of my temperature zone limits. How will you turn the AC on? I'm getting there. This is a smart plug. I don't really know how it works, but I think it's a switch. Once I set it up, I should be able to use voice commands through Alexa to decide whether my AC gets power. How will I use the voice commands with electronics, you ask? That's where Arduino 2 comes in. This Arduino will hook up to Adafruit's soundboard. The soundboard has left and right stereo outputs which use amplitude and frequency to produce sound at a small scale. To play a file, upload it to the USB-C port and you can connect any pins labeled 0 to 7 to ground. The corresponding audio file will play. So we'll hook up those pins to our Arduino and set them to 5 volts by default. This makes sure we don't always play the clips. There's a way to use this board slightly more complicated with a protocol called UART, but for this simplistic task and only 2 audio clips, that's really unnecessary. We'll hook this board up to Adafruit's amplifier and the amplifier up to a couple speakers. So now we can hear the sounds. Bing, bang, boom, we've done it. All the hardware is done. Now the last thing to do is connect the Arduinos using Bluetooth magic. I have no idea how to do this, but all I want is for my Arduino with the temperature sensor to tell the other one when to play its audio clips. This completes everything.
Future Ben here, you may be wondering, why don't you just make your own switch? Why not use a relay? Why do you need 2 Arduinos? Why are you solving this like an idiot? And to all of those I say I like my solution. I have 2 different rooms, the Alexa will stay here. The temperature I need is there. The AC is there. Also, I'm trying to learn, so I kind of made it harder on myself. And I thought it'd be fun.
So I wiped off my incredibly dusty project desk and got to work soldering boards, coding, and setting up all the electronics.
8 hours later.
Left side.
Good morning! It's the next morning. I just woke up and my room was way too hot, so I got up, which is fitting because this is going to solve that. So we have our 2 finalized designs on our Arduinos. We have an Arduino Minima here, and this is going to be our temperature sensor. This LED is going to tell us when we need to turn the AC on or when we need to turn the AC off. And this board sucks. And the reason why it sucks is because it's almost the cost of this board, but it doesn't have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So I had to get another board. In any event, here's the design for the second board. We have our R4 Arduino. We have it plugged in, grounding to 2 cables on our soundboard. The soundboard connects to the amp connects to the speakers. That's really all you need to know. So the next step is making everything pretty, because I like pretty. I must have burned the board. I'm such an idiot. I had it plugged in to V in and ground instead of 5 volts and ground. Okay, it's still not working. Why isn't it working? It's working. I'm getting temperature. Good. Work. Just do it. Just do the thing. Attempt maybe number 5. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Oh my god. It's working. Oh, do you have to override? Oh my god, that's stupid. That's so stupid. That is so stupid. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's not plugged in. It's red. Okay, it's working. Oh, that's stupid.
Stupid, 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 Hobbit! Hobbit, stupid, Hobbit, stupid!
Boom, it's working. We're gonna unplug it. I got this cool battery. Now it's broadcasting. Now we plug in our second device. Did I never initialize these pins? Can't upload if it isn't plugged in.
Left right, 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 left right.
It connected! It connected! It did! It Bluetooth! What is happening? Wait, it connected.
Left right, left right, left right.
Nah. What do I get in there? Let's see if it'll play an audio clip. The Bluetooth is failing. Bluetooth is failing. Why is Bluetooth failing? But it connected earlier.
Left right, left right, left right,
Very stupid. And it probably does not work. But maybe,
left
just
right,
maybe, this will work
left
somehow.
right,
Can you shut up?
left right, left right,
Bluetooth failed. Hey, this is some cool code. Does it work?
left right.
You're so loud. Is it just gonna reset again? Oh, this is annoying. Do I have this library? So this failed. Oh, let's plug it in without a data cable. Maybe that'll do something. It immediately worked. Is my laptop the problem? Wait, but I need a print. What do I do? Oh, wait, it's connected. Oh no, I uploaded.
Left right,
No.
left right,
Oh, it connected again. It's not printing. I don't know what's going on. Okay, it's connected. Now I'd like it to print the data. It seems to not be printing the data.
left right, left right.
I put a little screen on so that I can make sure that the temperature sensor is functioning all the time and I can see what temperature it's reading. What the hell? Just, okay.
All right, let's see if I can figure out what's going on.
Left right,
I need this to get hotter. When you're over 78 degrees, turn red. Please turn red. What did I make this value? It was once a minute. It's definitely been more than a minute. Code not working. Resetting. Turn red. Please turn red. Oh, did it change any values? How am I supposed to transmit a signal? How does this work? How does Bluetooth work?
left right, left right, left right.
What if I do something really dumb? What if I just change the local name to a 1 or 0? No, I should really learn how this works. Let's rewrite this code. Oh crap, I moved the rug. Can this like get out of my face? Oh my god, I'm missing semicolons. Can this work? I think that was the last thing. It wasn't the last thing. It compiled. Let's see if they communicate. Why isn't the screen on? How did I break the screen? In what world is the screen broken right now? This one apparently. Are you kidding me? How did I break the screen? How did I break the screen? Why are you not working? Oh, it's just not printing. Oh, it's gonna work. We're good. Working as expected. As intended.
Left right, left right, left right, left right, left right.
Okay!
Left right, left right, left right, left right.
Please work. I don't know if it's working. This isn't connected. They're not connecting. It's not connecting. Oh, I know what this is gonna output.
Left right, left right, left right.
Can you shut up? Holy, get it. So it's failing the example code too. What if I just swap boards? Couldn't hurt. Maybe if I swap boards, it'll decide to work. I don't know. That's working. What if I hold? I should really just watch a video. I discovered it. Wait, don't you have to connect? Dude, I don't connect. What am I doing? Oh, I connected. I'm connecting. It's connecting. It connected. Maybe it'll play a sound. If it plays a sound, I've done it. This needs to turn red first. Should take 30 seconds. I feel like it's been 30 seconds. Why doesn't it turn red? It turned red. This didn't play a sound. This died. Battery pack ran out of battery. Good thing I have a second one, baby. Okay, it's connecting and disconnecting. We like connecting and disconnecting. Now we have to write. It didn't write. It didn't write. Why didn't it write? It doesn't have a writable LED. What? It doesn't have a writable characteristic. I have an idea. Maybe it has more than one characteristic. Maybe I have to cycle through them and get to the characteristic that is correct. Never mind. I'm connecting to the right one. It's a new day, and I have a plan of action written on this post-it. I forget where I left off. Step 1. Take out the initial written value. That's not gonna work. That's a problem. I didn't want to be right. Step number 2. Add a second service. This is stupid.
left right, left right, left right, left right, left right.
Before it tries writing, it does an attribute discovery. I don't do that. Am I supposed to do that? Ice cream. Device on COM 5. No device on COM 5. No device on COM5. Okay, I found 2 errors. Well, you're gonna discover some attributes. We're gonna discover attributes. We're gonna discover attributes. I know 2 months ago. I know I'm trying to forget. I'm trying to make you die. Why is broken? Why are you not working? Go home. Go give yourself food. Fix yourself. You need Snickers? I can give you Snick. I don't have any.
left, right, left, right.
I don't know why I did that. Let's go hunting for the problem. This would be so much easier if I had 2 laptops. The example code doesn't have a Bluetooth fail blocker. It should be writing. I think it's writing, but then why isn't it playing a sound? What the hell's the difference? It's writing. It's writing 0s and 1s.
Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
These are good left rights. These are good left rights.
Left, right,
Why is it doing it on its own?
left, right,
Stop.
left, right.
Who the fuck? What do you mean it doesn't have the right characteristic? It's the same code that was just working. I'm missing the last number in the address. Oh my god. I think the entire thing works now. The anticipation is killing. Okay, I had to fix some stuff. Try number 2. I actually think it's going to work. As soon as this LED turns red, that's gonna play left right, and I'm gonna be happy to hear it.
Left, right.
Let's go! Yes! Let's go! Woo!
Alexa, turn the AC on right now.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the AC off.
Okay.
Hope you guys enjoyed. This video was a ton of fun to make, and of course it solved a very important issue. If you appreciated the video, I would appreciate your support in the likes, the comments, and adding to my lovely 39 subscribers. Bye now. Bye-bye. See ya. Later. Till next time. Ciao. Sayonara.